Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you? I hope you all are will be fine. The story I am going to tell you today, it is very interesting one. It is a story of young man. His name is Santiago. Santiago is a young man of 20 and his close friend. He lived in his neighboring. His name was Frost. Frost and Santiago. They both were keen friends. They studied together. They worked together. They enjoyed the time together and they had very reasonable, pleasant meetings with each other. The university there they studied, it was a local university. They both graduated in the same year and they graduated in the field of engineering and their syllabus and course were the same. By stroke of luck, fortunately or unfortunately, his friend Frost got a reasonable job after graduation and Santiago unfortunately could not get the job. It is the dream of every student after completion of his degree, he went for a job. But unfortunately, Santiago could not get a job. First, I would like to make a difference between these two students. They both were intelligent, but Santiago was a very hard worker student. He worked very hard throughout his academic career. He worked excellent. On the other hand, his friend Frost, he was not a very brilliant student. He did not work hard. He did not study well. He was an average student. But still he was good enough to manage a good job after his graduation. After completion of their degree, his friend Frost set into his work and Santiago struggled hard. Wherever he went for a job, he was rejected. He applied in many organizations, locals and international, but he was rejected wherever he delivered his resume. Another most important factor was that he was from a very poor family. Remember, to support him financially, his parents got the loan and they got the loan to support Santiago, and in order to complete his study, they got loan, they supported him financially, but they felt that after completing his education, he would get a reasonable job and he would support them and he would clear their debts. But it was not done. According to their thinking, their dreams could not come true. Santiago worked hard. Santiago went for higher study, higher education. He got another degree. But after getting degrees, he was still jobless. The most important thing that hurt him a lot, it was not his being jobless. The important thing that teased him a lot, it was the thing his all classmates were working hard. They were working in their organizations. They are making money, they were all prosper, they were living a good and reasonable life. And Santiago was the only person of the entire batch. He could not get a job and he was jobless, he was out of order, his memory was scattered and he could not get a reasonable job after completing his education. It was a stigma. It was a great challenge for him to survive in the locality because people ignored him wherever he went. A jobless person had no respect in his locality. It is the fact. This thing teased him a lot. One day, when he got frustrated a lot and there was a darkness all around him, he complained God why he had created him when there is no purpose of his life to exist in this world, why he came in this world. In his frustration, he went into the jungle. When he went into the jungle, he sat down under the shadow of the tree and started thinking about his life. And suddenly, very wild idea came in his mind to commit suicide. And he was ready to commit suicide. But before he did his action of committing suicide, there was a person who was just few yards away from Santiago, who was observing Santiago. Santiago was thinking to commit suicide. Meanwhile, The person who was few yards away, it was an old man. His name was Luca. Luca came to Santiago. Luca shook hand him, and Luca asked him what was the reason of his being worried about the situation. Santiago ignored Luca because Santiago viewed that he was not a graduated man and he did not know the bitter realities of the student's life, and he did not think it is necessary to tell him the major problems. Luca inquired him second time. Santiago ignored him second time. Luca inquired third time, and he told all about his current circumstances, and he told him he was an unemployed man and he had nothing to do, and even he had nothing to survive in his locality. Luca got a little bit worried about the situation of this young man, and Luca made him Santiago stand up. When Santiago stood up, he took him to the place in the farm. It was the farm where Luca worked. He was a farmer by profession, and throughout his life he had made a lot of money through the profession of farming. He took him the place where he showed him there was a big tree, and beside this tree there was a little plant, and this little plant just spurred out from the earth, and it was not strong enough and it was not grown enough. Luca showed him these two plants and said him he planted them at the same time. He watered them, he fertilized them, he rained them, he sunned them at the same time. The one had grown earlier than the other, and even the grown one had become a tree. But this tree did not give any fruit to the others, and the tenure of his life is very little. And the plant you are watching, it is just little, but it had just spurred out from the earth. But when it grows, the people would get a lot of advantage from this plant. The tree you have seen, it had grown enough, and the plant that is very little beside it just spurred out from the earth, but it is making its roots stronger under the earth. When it will get stronger enough, it would grow, and when it grows, it would give a lot of advantages to the people around him. This is the fact. Same and likewise, this was the situation of Santiago. The people, they had pursued their careers earlier, but there is no guarantee their career is long lasting. But you are working, one day you will definitely get the fruit of your struggle. When Santiago understood this example, he got impressed by old Luca. At the spot, he made a decision, very strong decision. He would never apply for any job today and in future. He would just focus on his own business. With the help of Luca, young Santiago started working in the farms. He worked for 1 year in the fields. But after a year, unfortunately, young Santiago could not get good results. His crops were failed. He spent second year, third year, fourth year. When he had spent fourth year, in fourth year, he could not get any satisfactory results about farming. He was already depressed person, and furthermore, he had already wasted 4 years in the farming. But he was determined not to pursue the job, just to focus on his business. And fifth year, he worked very hard. He worked a lot. And in fifth year, his crops grew very fast. He got beautiful crops of wheat, and through this wheat he made a lot of money, and the money in 50 years through agriculture he made, it was 3 times more than his classmates had made throughout their professions. It was the reward of his struggle and his being patient. Unless we have patience, we can't succeed. We must focus on our goals and work hard. He did not enjoy the luxuries of life. The money he got, he invested it throughout the different parts of business. He established cement industry there, and then he established sugar industry. He developed 3 more industries. After 5 years, he became an industrialist man, and he became the richest man of entire state. After spending 3 more years, and his business spread throughout his country, and he became a business icon. He was being known as a rich industrialist man throughout his country. And finally, at his middle age, he became a real kingmaker. He became a real kingmaker in this sense. He had a lot of money, and through this money, he could buy and have members of nationals and provincial assemblies in his hand. By having these members, he could have a choice to select the Prime Minister of his own choice. By having the Prime Minister of his own choice, he had power over the entire country. And when sometime he was alone in his office, he realized his past, and he thought about that one day he was very rejected person. Wherever he went for a job, he was rejected. But now at that time, he was the richest person of the entire country. 10,000 employees were working in his industries. Now he was giving the jobs to the others. Santiago thanked God for giving him such challenges, because these challenges made him stronger, and these challenges made him a big man. And he was also grateful to old Luca, who gave him the examples of 2 plants, the one that had grown faster and the other that could not grow faster, but it was making its roots stronger under the ground. When it became stronger, its advantages are a lot. And this was the situation of Santiago. He could not pursue his career earlier, but when he pursued it, he became a real kingmaker. Thank you for watching.